Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an image to your email body in Gmail. So in here, I've already opened Gmail on my browser, and let's just click on Compose to start a new mail, a new message. So usually when you want to add image to to email, you can use the attachment in here. But there's also this options called insert photo. So if you want to add the photo to the body mail, you can just use this feature. So you can click on insert photo. Then here you can browse the photo that you want to add. So for example, in here, I'm going to use this image right here. Click on open. And as you guys can see, the image will be added into the body mail. If you want to resize or edit the image, you can just click on it, and here at the bottom there will be this option. So for the size, you can choose between small like this, best fit, and the third one is original size, this one. But for original, it must be big, so you can just choose wisely. I'm going to just go with best fit. Here you can also edit the alternative text. Click on this, and you can add the you can edit the alternative text. So the alt text is accessed by screen readers for people who might have trouble seeing your content. And click on apply to apply the changes. And if you want to change the photo or image, you can just tap on remove and repeat the same steps to insert the photo again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.